Binigyang diin ng bagong superintendent ng Philippine Military Academy ang pagpapalakas pa sa kakayahan ng mga future leaders ng armada.
Ayon sa pamunuan, kailangang sumabay din sila sa nagbabagong panahon at mga hamon. Mga pangunahing inisyatibo inilatag. Magbabalita si Jonalyn Ponciano.
Binigyang diin ni Lieutenant General Michael Lohico, ang ika-26 na Superintendent ng Philippine Military Academy, ang inobasyon sa military education, character-based leadership at paghahanda sa mga future officers sa nagbabagong anyo ng warfare. Iginiit niya na kailangan ding umunlad ang akademiya gaya ng nagbabagong security environment. Anya, kailangan magkaroon ang mga future leaders hindi lang traditional military competencies, kundi maging ng critical thinking, adaptability, technological proficiency, at sound judgment.
The battlefield now spans both the physical and the non-physical domains. This changing environment has profound implications on the Cadet Corps. The officers we commissioned today will spend the next 3 decades leading the armed forces through an era of unprecedented technological and geopolitical change. We must prepare not only to fight but to think. Not only to lead troops, but to solve complex problems under uncertainty. To master doctrine and to adapt faster than the challenges before them.
Kabilang sa mga inanunsyong pangunahing inisyatibo ni Lohico ang integrasyon ng decision-focused learning, wargaming, simulations, at game theory sa cadet education. Ito ay para mapalakas ang kanilang analytical thinking, initiative, teamwork, at decision-making. Anya, ang technological innovation ay kailangang laging nakaangkla sa character, integrity, at selfless service.
We must cultivate a passion for innovation, a passion for progress. We must never become comfortable just because we have always done the same ways in a certain way. Our traditions remain important, but tradition must never become an obstacle to excellence. We must continuously adapt, innovate, and prepare our cadets for the future that they will inherit and not the past that we remember.
Hinamon naman nito ang mga kadete na harapin ang mga hamon ng future leadership na may tapang, integridad at inobasyon. Pinalitan ni Lohico si Vice Admiral Cesar Bernard Valencia na nagretiro na sa military service matapos ang mahigit 4 na dekadang serbisyo. Jonalyn Ponciano para sa PIA News Cordillera.